BMW CAS4 anti-theft system can do OBD degradation. BMW CAS4 anti-theft system to match the method of two kinds. Of the first is to use the device OBD to do degradation to match. OBD to do downgrade is CAS is an encrypted version of which the BMW 7 series, if the 6HP 8HP words is not directly OBD to do degradation, then if not OBD to do degradation, then we can only use the second method, is the need to remove the BMW CAS4 anti-theft computer and then read out the anti-theft data inside the use of our equipment to write the key directly. So in here, Kasperger's anti-theft system OBD can be downgraded. Remember 6HP. 8HP color change box. This model cannot be downgraded, of course, if it is a VVDI device. There will be a reminder that cannot be directly OBD to do degradation. Then if, apart from these two types of other direct OBD to do degradation halfway, or in the middle of other reasons, lead to degradation of the car dead, lead to the original key, cannot find the car, and so on a series of reasons, then we can also use the... In this way we can dismantle CAS and rewrite a copy of the flash data. That's all. So, if you have any questions about the CAS4 anti-theft system, you can hit the comment section.